Will AI take my job? Wrong question. The real threat isn't the algorithm. It's your coworker who already figured out how to use it and is flying through work while you're still formatting a bullet point. This isn't about robots taking over. It's about the people who are learning faster, delivering better, and getting noticed. You're not getting replaced by AI. You're getting replaced by someone who knows how to use it. Every workplace trend gets hyped until it doesn't. Remember, remote work is a phase, now it's policy. Remember when Slack was a startup? Now it runs your org. Same with AI. This isn't just another trend to wait out. It's a capability shift. The people who learn to use it are already outperforming the ones who don't. Not because they're smarter, but because they know how to multiply their time. If you can't get 5x leverage from your tools, someone else will. And they'll do your job in half the time, with twice the output. You've been told you need to outwork the system, put in more hours, show more hustle, answer emails faster. But the future doesn't reward burnout. It rewards leverage. And AI is the biggest source of leverage we've ever seen. So the real question isn't, will AI take my job? It's, do I know how to use it better than the person next to me? Because if you're spending 90 minutes formatting a slide deck, and someone else did it with a single prompt in Gamma, that's not innovation. That's elimination. Let's get specific. Here's what real people, not coders, not tech bros, are using these tools for every day. ChatGPT. Fast drafts, smart edits. Think of it like a co-writer with no ego. Draft an email, and it gives you 3 options. Rewrite a paragraph, and it offers 5 better ways to say it. Summarize a meeting, prep a proposal, draft talking points, done. It's not about cheating. It's about not spending 40 minutes writing what should have taken 4. Claude. Deep context, long inputs. Claude's like that one coworker who actually reads the attachments. You can paste 10 pages of meeting notes or legalese, and it won't blink. It helps you summarize, pull insights, draft next steps, create action plans. Useful when your day job is 80% reading things no one else did. Perplexity. Search with a brain. Google gives you 18 ads and 14 irrelevant blogs. Perplexity just gives you the answer, with sources, in under 10 seconds. Perfect for market research, competitive intel. Can someone just tell me what this actually means? Gamma. Presentations without PowerPoint pain. No more opening a blank slide and crying. Gamma builds beautiful decks from a prompt, complete with structure, flow, and visuals. You still need to make it sharp, but you start at 60%, not 0. And yes, it integrates with your content and branding. The point isn't to memorize these tools. It's to recognize. The workforce is already using them. You're either in or you're late. AI isn't a future problem. It's a present advantage. And if you're just sitting around wondering if it'll affect your job, newsflash, it already has. Here's what to do right now if you don't want to get left behind. Step 1. Audit your job. Pull up your calendar and your last 2 weeks of work. What do you actually do? Not your title, your time. Ask, what's repetitive? What's writing heavy? What feels like, ugh, this again? That's where AI can save you hours, starting this week. Step 2. Build a personal prompt bank. Stop retyping everything. Save your best prompts for writing, emails, decks, summaries. Organize by task, refine them over time. Think of it like productivity cheat codes for your brain. Step 3. Upskill laterally, not just up. The future doesn't reward your job title. It rewards your adaptability. Start learning. AI, tools that match your role. Data literacy, basic dashboards, summaries. Workflow tools, Zapier, Make, Notion. How to write prompts that drive decisions, not just outputs. Bonus, teach someone else. Step 4, make yourself AI compatible. You don't need to be a prompt engineer. You need to be the person who knows when to use AI and when not to. Learn to vet AI output with a human eye. Prompt with clarity and purpose. Build simple, fast workflows. Teach others how to use tools in practical ways. That last one? Huge. The best way to stay relevant is to make others better, faster. Be the person who elevates the room, not just the resume. Let's stop pretending this is optional. If you wait for your company to train you, you're already behind. If you think AI can't do your job, it probably already can. But here's the secret. AI doesn't replace people. It replaces inefficiency. The person who understands the tools in the business, they're the new top performer. You don't need to become a bot. You just need to stop working like one. This is why work is broken. And this time, we're not just complaining, we're adapting. Subscribe for more blunt truths, smarter tools, and fewer buzzwords. Drop your go-to AI prompt or panic story in the comments. We'll fix the future, one broken workflow at a time.